Hey there, Dr. Dave, Microdose U. Today I want to talk to you about something that I have been microdosing in addition to magic mushrooms, in addition to LSD. It's a pharmaceutical that you probably never really even think about using, especially if you're a woman, but hang on, I'm going to tell you why it might be good for a woman. And you probably never thought about microdosing this, but there are some real, true benefits, and it's very safe. And the medication I'm talking about is Tadalafil, and that is better known, you might know it by its brand name, Cialis. Now, hold it, just stop for a second, because I know the first thing you're thinking is, why is Dr. Dave microdosing Cialis? Does he need it to perform better in bed or whatever? No, here's the thing, here's the interesting part. I am not using it for sexual function necessarily. I'm not using it for that. It's got other benefits. As a matter of fact, Tadalafil was first developed for other reasons. And then they found out that, yeah, there's a sexual benefit to it, but it's got some overall health benefits. And when I say microdose might not be the exact accurate word, because a normal dose of Tadalafil, let's say you're getting together with a date, let's just say some type of a sexual meeting that's going to be coming up. I think most men would probably use between 10 and 20 milligrams for a fun night or a fun weekend. I don't even know, because I don't use it for that reason. What I'm doing is microdosing. It's really not truly a microdose, but 5 milligrams every day for some incredible health benefits. And again, women, stay with me, because you might just think this is a man's drug, this is a man's pharmaceutical. No, it was not originally developed for that. And there are benefits for women taking 5 milligrams a day. Now, I'm not your doctor. I'm not going to tell you what to do, and this is not medical advice, but I'm going to share some benefits that I've learned about over the past year or so, but I didn't really bite the bullet until maybe 3 months ago. I've been microdosing this, and we're going to call it microdosing, as it is 5 grams every day. I didn't really bite the bullet and start this until about maybe 3 months ago or so. So I usually don't have notes in front of me when I do these shows, but I just wanted to make sure I didn't forget anything. So I'm going to share the health benefits of using 5 milligrams of Tadalafil daily for men, and then I'm going to share with you women, with the ladies out there, what you can gain health-wise if you do it. And again, it might sound really weird, because women don't talk about using Tadalafil, but it's every bit as effective for a woman as it is for a man. So let me just go over some health benefits that I've learned about that I'm using it for. 5 milligrams a day. And I will be reading this because, again, I just want to make sure I don't miss anything at all. So Tadalafil supports healthy blood vessel function by relaxing smooth muscle and improving blood flow. Now, remember, I'm on the older side. As we age, whether you're male or female, our arteries tend to stiffen up, but they're not as relaxed as they used to be. And by relaxing smooth muscle, there are health benefits for sure. It may improve endothelial function, the health of the inner lining of the blood vessels. That's an important marker of cardiovascular health. So again, take note, there are cardiovascular benefits to microdosing Tadalafil 5 milligrams every day. Now, some people do use 2.5. I think that's a little bit low in my opinion. I think from all of my research and from talking to my doctors and also researching online, it seems like 5 milligrams is the sweet spot for a daily dose of this. More benefits. I'm still with men now. Helps reduce urinary symptoms associated with an enlarged prostate, which BPH. What is that? Benign prostate hypertrophy? Or benign prostate hypertrophy. As you get older, if you're a man, the prostate tends to get a little bit large. I don't believe mine is, but again, I'm using it for overall medical health. But if you're a man and if you're experiencing a little bit of an enlarged prostate, you're going to experience, with Tadalafil, you experience better urinary flow, less hesitancy, more complete bladder emptying, and less frequent nighttime urination. How much of a pain in the butt is that to get up at 2, 3, 4 times in the middle of the night because you got to pee? Well, Tadalafil potentially could help with that. Also, Also can slightly lower blood pressure in some people, although it's not truly a blood pressure medication. But let's look at that as like an added benefit to microdosing tadalafil daily. I also want to say that the same class of medication as tadalafil is used at higher doses. So microdosing is not going to really touch this, but at higher doses to treat pulmonary hypertension. What this does, it demonstrates its effects on the vascular system. Again, it relaxes smooth muscle. I don't see any downside to that, whether you're young, old, male, or female. Some research suggests it may improve exercise tolerance in certain people with vascular conditions. Again, I'll take it. I'm older. I'll take anything I can get these days. And researchers continue to study its possible role in protecting vascular health and reducing inflammation, although these potential benefits have not been studied yet in large clinical trials. And the last benefit I'll go over for men, and again, this is the one that everybody knows about, everybody talks about, but again, that's not the reason I'm using it. Hey, you get some side benefits, but it's not the reason I started. I started mainly for my cardiovascular health. But of course, the benefit that we all know about are the sexual benefits. It improves erectile function and a lot more, let's just say that. There are a lot of upsides to using tadalafil every day, and I don't see any downside whatsoever. I think the only downside, and I'm going to get into the women's stuff next, so hang on there if you're a lady, a woman, or a man that wants to know about this for your significant other, partner, wife, spouse, whatever, whoever, a friend, whoever she may be, your mom, whatever. And again, if you don't believe me, just do a simple search, whether it's Google or AI or anything, do a simple search for the benefits of using 5 milligrams of tadalafil daily for heart health, for prostate health, for sexual health, for men and women. Do a search for that if you don't believe me. I'm telling you, this is real, it's out there, and I'm doing it every single day now. Now let's get into the women stuff, because you ladies out there, we don't want to leave you behind. Again, Cialis is thought to be a man's drug, but for women, some of the benefits are similar. Supports healthy blood flow by relaxing blood vessels throughout the body. Well, same for men. It's been studied as a possible treatment for certain vascular conditions because of its effect on circulation. Again, similar to men. But just because you're a woman does not mean you can't take Cialis or tadalafil. Same thing, just generic and brand name. Now, researchers are investigating whether improved blood flow may benefit pelvic tissues and overall pelvic health for women, but admittedly, a little more evidence is needed. But again, I don't see any downside to using this. So even if the research is not really complete, we're not getting any younger, and what am I going to wait 10 to 20 years to have this conclusive? I mean, no, I'm doing it now. I don't know about you, but I'm doing it now. Also, one of the more interesting areas of research involves postmenopausal women. Now, I know a lot of women that follow me on Microdose U, even though they're doing it for mushrooms and mental health, a lot of them happen to be in that peripausal stage of life or postmenopausal. So listen up. After menopause, declining estrogen can reduce blood flow to the pelvic region and contribute to vaginal dryness, discomfort, decreased tissue elasticity, and reduced sexual responsiveness. Because tadalafil increases blood flow, researchers are now studying whether it may help improve circulation to these tissues. While some small studies have shown encouraging results, the evidence is still mixed. So it's not really an established treatment for these symptoms. But again, I am not giving you medical advice, but I see no downside to this whatsoever. I take it back. The only downside I've read about is if you're using nitroglycerin for angina, for some type of a heart issue. If you're using nitroglycerin, I do believe it's contraindicated to also use tadalafil because it relaxes the smooth muscle and you're getting too much of that. So with the nitroglycerin and tadalafil, your blood pressure is going to probably go down to like 10/0. So you want to be very careful if you're in that situation where you're using nitroglycerin or something else that's relaxing your smooth muscle. So be careful with that. Otherwise, I don't think there are any contraindications. But again, not medical advice from me. Some studies have also looked at its use in women taking antidepressants that reduce sexual function. So again, many of you that are following me, many of you men and women, but women I'm talking to right now, you are using antidepressants. Many of you have not taken the jump to using psilocybin full time yet, so you're still maybe on an SSRI or something like that. And for men and women, SSRIs or antidepressants can reduce sexual function. Antidepressants are horrible when it comes to sexual function. They will mess you up. So Tadalafil could possibly, I don't want to say reverse that, but possibly improve that. Let's just say improve that. And of course the final, well, we talk about sexual benefits. Some women report improved genital blood flow, increased lubrication, enhanced arousal, and easier orgasm. Although study results have been inconsistent, admittedly. So it's not like a slam dunk. It's not 100% going to help, but it may help. So unlike men, Tadalafil is not approved specifically for female sexual dysfunction. So check with your doc on that. But these are some incredible possibilities that dosing Tadalafil 5 milligrams a day could help you with not only sexual function, but many different aspects of your health, including cardiovascular health. And that's the main reason I'm in this, for cardiovascular health. I will do anything it takes, as long as it's safe, to improve my circulation to my heart and surrounding areas. I'm going to do whatever it takes. And that's probably the main reason that I am microdosing Tadalafil 5 milligrams a day, because I'm interested in the best heart health possible. Look, I'm just going to get this in there because it's timely. I hope this doesn't age poorly, but as I'm recording this, Senator Lindsey Graham just passed away a couple days ago from a dissected or aortic dissection. His aorta basically ripped apart. And I guess my question is, we'll never know the answer to this, but had he been dosing 5 milligrams a day of Tadalafil, could that have helped him in some way? I don't know the answer to that, and I don't want to assume anything at all, and I don't want to play his doctor, but I'm just wondering, could that have prevented something? Again, Tadalafil is known to improve heart health and circulation. So one more thing I just want to share with you that I wrote down here that I don't want to forget. It's important to remember that Tadalafil is a blood vessel medication first. The better known sexual effects are really just a consequence of improved circulation. So remember, if it's improving your circulation down there, where else is it improving your circulation? Well, I'm going to say all over. And that's why researchers continue to investigate whether this medication may have broader health applications for both men and women. So very interesting. I know that you never thought that you would hear an episode here. This is Microdose U. We talk mainly about psychedelics. You never thought you would hear about dosing Tadalafil, which is Cialis, every day from Dr. Dave here. But again, I feel that I want to share anything possible that can help your physical and or mental health, because as I always say, everything is always connected. So I just felt like I owe this to you, because I've been doing it, and why not share it with my followers? Why not? Whether you choose to do it or not, that's going to be totally up to you and between you and your doctor, because it is prescription, so you've got to get a prescription from your doctor. I mean, there are ways to get any prescription, almost any prescription medicine, without really talking to your own doctor. There are ways to do it online now. It's very easy. I'm not going to get into that, but you can do it. But I would advise making sure you talk to your doctor, because again, your doctor needs to know about everything you're doing health-wise, what you're taking, even any kind of pharmaceutical, psychedelics, supplements. Your doctor should be aware of that, because again, like I said, everything's connected. Your doctor is part of your healthcare team, who should pretty much know everything you're doing. Okay, I hope this was an interesting episode for you. If you're brand new to me, make sure you like, share, subscribe, anything else you need to do, because it all helps this channel. And what we're trying to do is help improve the mental and physical health of people all over the world. Again, it starts with psilocybin, it starts with LSD microdosing. But again, once we do that, and I've been doing that for over 5 years now, it starts opening up different avenues that we discover, because again, the psychedelics, they're teachers, starts opening up different avenues of how else can I improve my health? What can I do to live not only longer, but better quality of life, feeling better, looking better every single day? Well, that's why I wanted to share this with you today. I'm doing it. Let's all have a Tadalafil party at some point. I'll see you on the next episode. I am Dr. Dave. And I'd love to see you over on Patreon. I didn't really get a chance to talk about it too much in today's episode, but the information is always in the show notes and on my website, .com. It's Microdose with the letter U on the end of it. It's a community that I built several years ago, and it's just, there's nothing else like it in the world, I promise you. So check out Patreon. Love to hang with you there. You get to hang out with me personally and along with all the other people in the community. Hope to see you there. And one more thing I want to share with you. Remember this, please. Never forget it. You're valuable. You matter. You matter a lot to me, and you matter a lot to everyone here at Microdose U.